Hey friends, if you encounter Windows Update error 0x80070308, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update troubleshooter, and it will start detecting problems and fix them if possible. The next solution, which will definitely fix the problem, is to reset Windows Update components. So we have a script for this. All we need to do is copy that script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.